Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. The day the power of love overrules the love of power, the world will know peace. If we have no peace, it is because we have forgotten that we belong to each other. It isn't enough to talk about peace. One must believe in it. And it isn't enough to believe in it. One must work at it. When the power of love overcomes the love of power, the world will know peace. If someone thinks that love and peace is a cliché that must have been left behind in the 60s, that's his problem. Love and peace are eternal. War is never a lasting solution for any problem. It is never truly concluded except by peace. True peace is not merely the absence of war, it is the presence of justice. Or if civilization is to survive, we must cultivate the science of human relationships, the ability of all peoples, of all kinds, to live together in the same world at peace. Those who are at war with others are not at peace with themselves. If you want to make peace with your enemy, you have to work with your enemy. Then he becomes your partner. Mind darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. When you make peace with yourself, you make peace with the world. Peace starts within each one of us. When we have inner peace, we can be instruments of peace for the world. Peace cannot be achieved through violence. It can only be attained through understanding. We will have to repent in this generation, not merely for the hateful words and actions of the bad people, but for the appalling silence of the good people. World peace must develop from inner peace. Peace is not just mere absence of violence. Peace is, I think, the manifestation of human compassion. If you want peace, you don't talk to your friends, you talk to your enemies. It is easier to lead men to combat, stirring up their passion, than to restrain them and direct them toward the patient labors of peace. You find peace not by rearranging the circumstances of your life, but by realizing who you are at the deepest level.